Good morning, folks. We're back at it with another one. We're gonna head down to the falls here for a little bit. I'm gonna do something a little different today you guys haven't seen yet in a while. It's been about a year since I busted out the fly rod, so brought the spin gear, brought the fly gear today, so we'll see what we can do. I don't have a whole lot of time because I had to go get the truck to get serviced, so stick with me, stay tuned. We'll keep it short, keep it sweet. Peace. Well, we made it. Water still looks good. We had a little bit of rain come through, so it's about 6:30 a.m. on a Friday. Lucky to be the first one out here. So, you know how the game goes. We'll get in here and do what little work we can in a short amount of time, so stick with me. Stay tuned. Here we are, back to the old faithful spillway slash lock dam slash river, whatever you want to call it. We're here, and we're in here like swimwear. So as soon as we get over there, I feel like something magical is going to happen today, so stay tuned. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh my God. On another one, you guys. On another one. That's a chunky white bass. Size of that thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the size of that white bass, you guys. Woo! That's a shark. And I mean, tank of them. We have no fingernails right there, boy. We'll go ahead and right hand. Get our handy dandy rippers. Let's zero her out real quick, just for shits and gigs. She is weighing in. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. Look at that. 312 right there. Oh, chunky white bass. So now you guys kind of get an idea what that 3-pounder looks like right there, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Go ahead and throw him back in. All right, bud. Thank you for playing. We're gonna set him back in the water. I'm gonna toss him out like a missile. Here you go, bud. There we go. Woo! That right there, folks. That's what I'm talking about. I didn't quite catch that because it happened so fast, so sorry about that, you guys. Woo! All right. Well, guys, we're fixing to do something real stupid. I already took a spill in the water, so I'm probably most likely going to break off this 6-pound leader that I have on my fly reel. So, yeah. I doubt I'll be able to haul these fish in on this fly rod. Maybe, maybe not. But we'll see. Try not to fall in here. Okay. Well, that's not good either. Okay. I just have a bite. Was that a bite? I don't know. I think the wind. I got into something freaking huge. Wherever this is. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Wow. It's gone, 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 gone. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, that fish just jumped out the water. Wow. Wow. Oh, he came off. I hope you guys seen that. That was pretty That was pretty crazy. Jesus. Whatever that was. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a little something I like to start off with. It's called fishing glue. It saves you a lot of soft plastics. So I'll dab a little bit of epoxy super glue on there. And I'll get this guy right on the head. It doesn't have no scent. It dries up real fast. Just like that. Don't try to get it on your fingers. It holds, but it'll come off your skin over time. So, but it's called fishing glue. You can find it at Bass Pro or Cabela's. Comes in handy, and it saves you some soft plastics too. But we'll go ahead and get started. Set my drag real quick. Here we go, first cast. Got a scale. Got a scale. Got a piece of something, whatever it was. We're on. Fish on, you guys. Fish on. Fish on. Oh my God. Oh my God, what is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? Wow. Peel and drag, you guys. Peel and drag. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. He's fighting pretty good. Fighting pretty good, whatever this is. We're gaining on him. I don't know what this is, but he's fighting pretty good. Oh, it is a hybrid, you guys. Yes. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. It's one of them guys. Don't do that. There we go. One of them guys. There we go, you guys. There she is. Fish number one. What a beauty. And I'm getting rained on, so sorry if you guys get a little wet. I'll try and wipe you guys off, but it's coming down pretty good. Let's set it back in the water with a quick release. Woo! Woo! Let's go. That's how we start the day off right there, baby. Let's get after it. Woo! Coming down pretty good. I'm gonna stay here as long as I can with you guys. But you guys, I think I just got a sturgeon. Oh my God. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh, come on, come on. Oh my God, you guys, that's a freaking dinosaur, bro. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Hang on. Oh my God, you guys. I've never caught one of these before, and I got them right in the gill. Oh, right in the gill. That's a cool fish, though. Oh, oh, oh. They're tough, though. How cool is that? Wow. They're so like, sorry, bud, I just want to get my jig back, but no. Get a picture of that. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry, bud. I'm so sorry. Quit it, quit it. You're hooked. You're hooked. Quit it. So hard to get a hold of. Quit it. Quit it. This guy was skin hooked. This guy was skin hooked, but we're gonna go ahead and let him go. He's so hard to get a hold of. But yeah, that's a old shovel-nosed sturgeon. There you go, buddy. There you go. There he goes. There he goes. Come on. Gotta save him. There we go. Alright. Whew. So yeah, that is my first dinosaur I've ever caught. I think we got a dumb drum. Dum drum dum. There he goes. Yeah, it's a drum. And that's a big drum too. He's not wanting to come up. There he goes. Oh no. Oh no. No. I just want my jig back, bro. Just want my jig back. There we go. Oh no. Shoo-wee. No. That's a nice one, but it's not what we're really looking for. But thank you for playing, bud. Whew. Alright. Yeah, not my favorite, but it's a fish nonetheless. But you know how we do it out here. Then drums can come out and play too, I don't mind. A fish is a fish. The time is against us. I had to go get an oil change today and get my hair cut, things like that. Oh, wow, I just missed one. Whatever that was, that felt like a good hit. I felt that all the way through the rod. But yeah, I only got a little bit of time left, so we'll do what we can. Got my phone wet, my wallet wet. Pretty much my whole body is wet. Good thing it's not very cold out. Otherwise I'd be freezing my tits off. If you know what I mean. Because these rocks are slick. see who's home over here. Let's see who's home. There we go. Oh, there's one. There's one. Oh my God. We're on. We're on. Oh my God. That feels like a hybrid. Oh my God. Oh, is he still on? What is that? It's coming up. Oh, it's another drum. A drum, of course. Yeah, another drum. It hit it, you know, as much as these guys are abundant, they really hit these things pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie, let's be honest. And they do put up a decent fight. There you go, bud. Yeah, they do put up a decent fight. I probably should check my jig after that. He about bent my hook. Yeah, bent out my hook pretty good. I probably got maybe a couple fish out of that if I can get her fixed here real quick. Ah, darn it. That's what I was afraid was gonna happen. Rain is coming down pretty good. Just got hit right here. Oh my God. Should have brought my rain jacket. Oh, there's another hit. Oh yeah, they're in here. They are in here, I'll tell you that. Shoo-wee. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Another one. I think that's a drum. Yeah, oh my God. Yeah, I think that's a drum, you guys. Oh my God, no. No way. No way. It's a catfish. It's a freaking catfish. No way. No way. No way. It's a catfish, bro. Oh my God, he broke me off, you guys. Did you guys see that? That was a freaking blue catfish. Oh my God. Oh my God, did you? That was a freaking catfish, bro. Did you guys see that? I just broke off. What the hell? He immediately smacked that out of that little hole right there. Wow. I gotta retie. Well guys, that's gonna conclude today's banger. I hope you guys liked today's video. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. And thank you for supporting the channel and putting up with my shenanigans. I fell in the water, so yeah. I got about a Tic Tac and 2 raisins right now shrunk up in my stomach. Not very fun. Getting a little nippy. But yeah, we're gonna go get a haircut and get an oil change. You know, things like that. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. So stick with me, stay tuned, and tight lines.